God no, yo.
Let's see how go on.
Boy, Pops, I move away with man no, yo.
Yes, how am I deal with?
Yo, a big thing Pops are going on, yo. Right now, I can't even tell you what going on with Pops right now, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I better me follow Blacks and go for a nigga.
Yeah, rent a jet style.
Boy, that me hear Blacks again, because 1 week now, I don't see Blacks in yo.
Yes, you not hear from him?
No, I don't hear nothing about him. No. Yo, I wish care that. I wish care that.
Police, you know. Look good, like a police, you know, look good.
No man, it stop man, it stop.
Sure, say no police.
Yeah man, it stop man.
Sure, say no police.
Now you're too fucking inspirational. Everything
Yo, a black
just takes time. Going them,
Yo, Black.
hang them. 2016. Everything in life just takes time. Man done did that tell you. Man done did that tell you.
Whatever.
Life just takes time. One bill.
What you are building up? I'm not doing a rent a jet thing, you know.
So yo, Blacks.
Oh, what up, kid? What up, kid? Stay up there.
I'm telling
Man,
you,
you gotta be careful, man.
yo,
All that
easy,
just,
man. I see man go rent out the whole
That's
nigga.
not. It's not blacks no more. Okay.
So how are they?
It's not blacks no more. It's not black. The capital B. That's what I'm saying, cuz.
Capital B
That's
or
it,
just
man.
B?
You feel me?
Big B or little B?
Yo, man. Black. Can you spell, man? This is why you call it a banana tree, right? We used to climb these trees back then when we were kids, right? Yeah, pick ripe bananas and stuff. They used to call me Monkey Man back then, man. Monkey Blacks, you know what I'm saying, girl? Yeah. That's a coconut tree right there. That's where you get a good jelly from and all them shits, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you're going to pick some for me?
Sure, boo. Go, girl. You go, man. God no Blacks, me love how you look, dog. Big up yourself, yo. I say nah nothing in the bag for me, charge. Man look like a real foreigner, dog.
I might tell you what the ain't a bad man say, yo, rent a to a thing. So I go on. Give me something, I'm go on. Anything, just give me something, I'm go on. Anything.
That's for you, man. Stay up, man.
Alright.
You go, man. Take as long as you want, nigga.
So
you good, man. You good.
Unto me. A screwdriver, you know. Me charge it. You remember me? Eh?
This is what you need to be hanging with. Don't let your pops be kicking you out and taking your lotions and shit. I remember the last time I was here, your pops was smacking you all over the fucking place, man. God damn it, man.
One you know?
Yo, man.
Say boy lazy in a cloth, you know, man. Poor not even that clean up yard. And really, Keisha, you tell us enough fret, man, baby, man. Anything Keisha want, Keisha get. Flat screen you want, flat screen you get, Keisha. You don't have to fret. Who got part this in man? Boy, Keisha, I'm gonna call you back. That sound like me or something go on in my place. Why? Why go on in my place? Sound like strappings. Sound like strappings, yes, why? Please, he broke the rule. I don't say anything in can come here. And me if you strap it first. Boy, I broke the rule, but he not one good man. Yes, boy. Give her it, boy. Yes, that's my boy. That's my boy. Yes, boy, give her it, boy. Boy, you go on good. No, sir, me have to go look. I have to take a peep. No, me have to peep. I have to take a peep. Boy, drop your cat, boy! Drop your cat! Bumbleclad! Papa. What is this, boy? Drop your cat, boy! See your pops up? Come here, sir, boy! Come on, sir. What do you come with Jesus? Try as you let me down, sit down, sir, boy. Rifle and shot in my place, boy. If you want a girl, all you have to do is check pops, you let me down, me shame. Me shame. How are you use? Jerkins and baby wipes. You